Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to give a little bit of an introduction on augmented matrices for solving systems of equations using matrices. A matrix can be used to represent a system of linear equations in standard form. We've talked a lot about systems of linear equations before. I have previous videos on it if you want to watch those. And how to solve a system of equations like this, where we have three variables. Sometimes we'll even have two variables and two equations, but here we have three variables and three equations. To do so, we extract the coefficients of each term in the equation to form an augmented matrix. So we take the 2 in front of this x, and that becomes our first entry. The negative 2 in front of the y becomes our second entry in this first row, the 5, etc. And then we have this little line here that kind of represents the equal sign, and then we have 15 there. Okay, so all of these coefficients are placed in the augmented matrix as you see there. So here we're given some lines. These are equations of a line, but they're kind of in a weird form. And we're told to state the augmented matrix for the following system and name the diagonal entries. So the first thing we need to do is we need to rewrite them. We need to rewrite them in standard form. So what does standard form look like again? Well, that's going to be 7x, subtract 2y from both sides, minus 2y equals 9. And then multiply this 2 through to get 2x minus 2y equals 4. So what does the augmented matrix look like? Well, we take those coefficients and we put them into our matrix. So the first row corresponds to the first equation. So those coefficients are 7, negative 2, and 9. And then our second row is our second equation corresponds to our second row, which is 2, negative 2, and 4. And again, we represent this dotted line like our equal sign, and there's our augmented matrix. Now, if we remember from definition of diagonal entries, what is that? That is, we start with the upper left, or the first row and first column, and we draw a diagonal down. So the diagonal entries are 7 and negative 2. So now let's go backwards. We have an augmented matrix, and we're told to write the corresponding system of equations that go with this matrix. So that's going to look like 1, let me get my pen here, 1x plus 0y plus 0z, and that dot is the equal sign equals 6. The next row will be 0x plus 1y plus 0z equals negative 10. The next row will be 0x plus 0y plus 1z equals 4. So now we have all these zeros here, so we can actually rewrite this as x equals 6, y equals negative 10, and z equals 4. So this form is almost like a solution to our system of equations. That happens when we have 1s in the diagonal. Okay?